Temu going on here. Let me adjust this so we can be centered. Okay, I got a little Temu stuff going on here. So I got 4 drawings plus a finished drawing from Temu. I figured you guys would like to see one that's finished. And then I got these mini trays, 3 different colors here. They come 6 in a pack. As you see, I got more than 6. There's 30 in each one of these bags. And now these ones, as you see, they're in the bottles. Open it up and there's your little tray. These ones actually fit perfect. The pink ones. These ones and these ones are a little bit small, so double-sided tape. Stick it on there if you want to keep them in permanently. If not, yeah, but I love them. I mean, perfect mini trays. Fits perfect in your bottles. I got this bag from Temu a while ago. Pretty glitter, 30 bottles. Love it because it's glitter. And these are counts what company you're buying them off, but they all come in 6 packs. That's it. 6 packs only. They don't come in anything bigger. Let's move that aside. And then here is the hummingbird that I finished that I got from Temu. It's a 30 by 30. It has 18 colors. It's round. It actually turned out really pretty. Very little on the trash wise. Had fun doing it. Set that aside. And then these ones I haven't even, I got these ones. Set this aside. They're all, I think, 30 by 30. Most, I think they're all round. There might be some special drills, crystals, but I think they're pretty much all round. This one here, it's going to be difficult, looks like. So I'll definitely be laying it out flat. It is a wolf. Let's see if I can get the little thumbnail there for you. It has 17 colors, nice and sticky. The area there you can see pretty well on the lettering, numbers and letters. Very pretty. Definitely going to be having to lay this baby out flat. It's the little bit rougher canvas. It's not the soft canvas. Comes with your standard tray, nothing fancy. The bag has the number on it that matches this number over here. Let's see here. They come in the baggies. They're numbered 1 through 17. Blues, of course, and whites. The drills don't look that bad. They are white. And they're really pretty drills. I've not had any issues with these at all. I mean, they're all pretty much the same. Blue, black, blue, bluish gray, blue, blue. Of course, you can see the drawing. So the drills are not bad at all. And I mean, really not bad. Grays and then another blue. I like that they're in the baggies instead of in the plastics you have to cut. I do like that part. Makes it easier to do your kitten up and all that stuff. Okay, and then this next one here is actually a 30 by 40. I can finally decide it opens. Okay, so this one here is a Pomeranian. That's what my little man is a Pomeranian. Look at the picture on that. That's amazing. It's a 30 by 40, and it's a little Pomeranian, there. It's, that's all I'm for. Comes with your normal kit up, and they're rounds. They are 18 colors, nice and sticky. This one actually lays a little bit flatter than that other one, but yeah, it's really pretty. I mean, same color as my little man and everything. Same thing on the drills. It tells you the number, matches that. The drills are really nice. Single bags, everything. And then I have another one, which is 19 colors. I think this one's a 30 by 30. And they're it's a round, most likely. That's a little white teddy bear, 30 by 30. Let's see here. It's really pretty. It's a 19 colors. Same thing. There's the number that matches the drawing. And there's all the pretty colors, all single bags. Round, of course, same tray. And then the last one is special drills, crystal drills. It's a 30 by 30. It only has 7 colors though. And another doggy. It's got 2 doggies. Really cute. It's only a partial. Same on the kits. And this is crystal, so I'll open it up so you can see the drills. So you have some pretty purple rounds. You got one little orange one here. And then you have round 310. That's actually, yeah, their DMCs are definitely not DMCs. And then you got some pretty purple here. Some pretty purples. Crystals. Let me get to the next one. The next one is some yellow crystals. So far they all look really nice. They don't look all beat up or anything. And some pretty reds. And there's that pink. Maybe a dark pink. And then you got your clear silver ones. Really pretty. Like I said, I got these off of Temu. They were all under $5. I know people frown upon this, but I'm on a fixed income, and this is what I can afford on buying stuff to kind of stock up on minis, because I do the minis when my hands bother me, my back's bother me, because I can put it on my light pad and sit and just diamond paint. Or if my granddaughter's here and she's watching TV and playing, and I can sit and do this while she's watching her little shows. So yeah, I like the little ones like this for that reason only. I do have I have 2 big projects going on. I have a Heaven and Earth canvas. Actually, I got 3. Then I have the temperature chart going on from Diamond Art Studios. And then I have a canvas that I made out of film and printed everything on that. And that's almost a 2-year project because I'm taking my time on it, especially because I took a break because it was making me mad. I had messing up, so I put it aside. And now I'm down to my last little pages, and I just haven't been in it to get it done. Making sure you can see everything. I don't want you guys to miss some stuff. So yeah, these are my little Temu hauls. Like I said, I got a wolf. As you see, I'm a dog person. A wolf, a palm, which is my little man, a couple little baby doggies there, and then a teddy bear. And the hummingbirds are done. The mini trays, I figured you guys would really like those. They come in pink, peach, Chiraka, or I think it's what that's called, purple and blue. I do have some purple and blue coming. I don't know if they're going to be too dark to put in all the bottles, because you know you can't put dark in the dark. You can't see the jewels that well. So yeah, this is my little mini haul. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions about anything, just let me know, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible on any questions on this little haul. And yeah, thank you. Bye.